Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your DBS Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search DBS Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to internetbanking.dbs.com.sc. It will then take you to the official website of DBS Bank. On the right side of the screen, enter your user ID, then enter your PIN, then click to log in. Then you should be able to access your DBS Bank account. If you have forgot your user ID or PIN, you can get help by clicking to Forgot User ID or PIN. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.